It's time to leave the nest for the big blue open sky. It's time to leave the nest. We'll show you how to fly. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. That's it! A hop, a jump, a leap. All together. A hop, a jump, a leap. You're flying! Just flap your wings together if you want to learn to fly. Just flap your wings together, you'll be soaring in the sky. Just flap your wings together, it's as easy as can be. Just flap your wings together, you'll be flying oh so free. See, it's easy.
Hello, lovely kids. I believe you are doing great as I am. I have missed you so much and I welcome you again to Creative Arts class. Today we are going to create a bed. This is a sample of a bed. And we are going to use cut out shapes to create a bed. We have a bigger circle and we have 3 smaller circles of the same size. We have also created eye for the bed. We also have 2 legs for the bed. We are going to create a beak for the bed and we are going to use this for the tail. We also have glue that will help us to paste. Alright, now we are going to begin by creating the head of a bed. And so you pick one smaller circle, you apply the glue on the smaller circle, then you paste at the edge of the bigger circle. And so this is what we have here. This is the head of the bed. Alright, now let's create wings for the birds. Make sure you apply glue before pasting. I have already applied my glue already. And make sure you fold it to create a wing. You do the same thing at the other side. Remember, you have to apply a glue. Very good. Then you paste it slowly on the other side. So this is what you have. 2 wings of a bird. Alright, now let's create a tail for the bird. And this is what we have here. We are going to paste it to create a tail for the bird. I'm applying my glue. Then you paste it on the body to create the tails for a bird. Now, let's create the beak. Wow! So this is what we have here. This is the beak of a bird. Very nicely. What do you think is left? I heard you saying the legs. Very good. Now let's paste the legs. Remember I told you to apply glue. A bird has 2 legs. So this is the legs of a bird. Now look at it. Something is missing. Can you guess? Can you guess? It's the eye. Now let's paste the eye. Make sure you apply small glue and then you put it there to create an eye for the bird. Wow! Isn't it beautiful? It's very beautiful. Give Auntie some fans. Yo, yo, more fans. Yo, 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 yo. Let's fans. Yo! St. Mary's children, we are Alright, so we are done with our beds. So this is what we have here. This is our bed. You are going to create your own bed and then you will snap it and put it on the page for a compliment. I believe you enjoyed the lesson. Hope to see you another time. Bye bye. I love you all.